All right, so we have this new pneumatic double heat press that Elaine had sent over. It's a great product. They sent over a 600-pound box that basically had to be put together. I think putting it together is pretty simple, but now we have to connect the air pump to the system. So I'm going to show you really quickly what that looks like. So basically you have this valve here. It starts off in the off position. You take the tube and this screw, and it has this mechanism to pull and push, right? So you just basically take it like that, push the element, and it'll lock in place. This thing's on wheels. It's hard to do this one. You just have to get the bearings right. Now, once you pull it back on, it should be set. Turn the pump to open, right? You want to make sure that you actually have the air pump at a different power source, so they can't be on the same line. So that's just another tip, because it kept on blowing a fuse for me. You then take this tube and you connect it to the back. You screw it in tight. You should be set. Then you make sure, when I received mine was disconnected here. You unscrew this, connect it on. This controls the air pressure and the pressure of the actual press. And once you're set with that, you make your choice whether you want it manual or auto, and you're set to go.